Hey guys, what's up? It's time to unbox the Vivo Y73 and this is a new smartphone from Vivo and this phone is costing around 90,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. So in this price range, we have 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage. On the back we have a 64 megapixel main sensor on the back. We have a 33 watt super fast charging, and guys, and the Vivo Y73 looks exactly the same as the Vivo V21e. And the color I have is a Roman black color. So in this video we'll unbox the Vivo Y73. So here's the box. As you can see in the box, it looks very old. So now let's open this box. And this phone also available in another color. And now let's open this box. So inside of this box we have mini box. So inside we have a user manual which is also available in the Urdu language. And here is our soft silicone case, Vivo Y73. Now let's out the phone from this plastic. As you can see, here is the Vivo Y73 looks like, and as you can see, and the design language of the Vivo Y73 looks very similar to the Vivo V21e, which was launched, I would say, in 2021. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what else we get. And other than the phone, so we have a 33 watt super fast charging. So we have our USB type C to USB-A cable, our headphones with headphone jack, and we have a SIM ejection tool. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Vivo Y73. So on the bottom we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, headphone jack. On this side we have our SIM tray, and as you can see we have a 1 micro SD card with a 2 nano SIMs, so you can use all these things at the same time. Also inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber, and on the top we have a noise cancellation microphone. On this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, and this phone has an in-display fingerprint scanner. So on the back we have a 64 megapixel main sensor on the back. Also we have a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And the back, it is made up of glass, and the frame, it is made up of aluminium, I think, but you can see I don't see any antenna lines. And guys, on the front we have 6.4 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED with 60 Hz refresh rate, no high refresh rate display. Vivo Y73 was launched in June 2021 in India, but now Vivo is launching this device right now in 2023 in the Pakistan market, which is a really disappointing. And this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G95, which is a really old SoC. Again, we have 8 GB of RAM, and on the front we have 16 megapixel selfie camera inside this U-shaped notch. The bottom chain, it is really average overall, and this phone feels really light in hand because this phone has a 4000 mAh battery size, and that is why this phone feels really slim and light in hand. Now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. So guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo Y73. Phone has 60 Hz refresh rate and the 90,000 PKR. So now let's open settings, and now let's go about phone. So this phone is running on Android 11. We have 8 GB of RAM with extended RAM feature, but this phone is running on Android 11 in 2023, which is a really disappointing. Again, we have Helio G95 SoC. So we have 128 GB of internal storage out of 107 GB. It is available for you guys. And now let's look at the camera. Let me show the camera UI. So here's the camera UI looks like. We have super macro mode, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. The quality, it is not really good. And here is our portrait mode. We have night mode. And now let's see video recording size with the back camera. And the back camera maximum shoot 4K at 30 fps. We also have a full HD 60 fps, and in the mode section we have 64 megapixel mode. We also have a slow motion. We also have a pro mode. All those things, it is available on this phone. Now let's look at the front facing camera, and this phone has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The selfie camera looks really decent, and front camera also has night mode support. Let's see video recording size with the front camera, and the front camera only shoot full HD at 30 fps. So now let's see the in-display fingerprint scanner speed. As you can see, and the fingerprint scanner, works really fast. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 4000 mAh battery size. This phone will give you at least 1 day of light use without any problem, because we have 4000 mAh battery size, which is not really acceptable in this price range. We should see a 4500 on this phone, but again, this phone looks exactly the same as the Vivo V21e, and Vivo V21e is powered by a Snapdragon 720G. So only difference we have in this phone is the processor wise. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y73. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this. And overall, I have to say, if you're looking for a smartphone in the 90,000 PKR price range, and I would say that the Vivo V23 is a better option for you, and that phone has a lot more new features over the Vivo Y73. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.